Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the emoticons or the emotions of your character within any building on the Toca Boca world game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toca Boca world game on your device, and from the main menu you can simply tap on the play button to begin enjoying your game. Now once your game begins, if you wish to change the emoticons or the emotions displayed by characters within the game, then simply go to the building where you will find various different characters. Now inside each kind of building you will see various characters, and if you wish to change their emoticons, then you can simply tap on the emotions icon at the bottom left corner. Once you tap on this, you will see the various different emoticons that can be used to describe the mood of the individual. Just go ahead and click on any emoticon, and you can also swipe and drag this icon to the character. If there are multiple characters within this location, then you can simply swipe and drag in order to define the emoticons for each character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the emoticons or define the emotions of your character on the Toca Boca world game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.